Christmas is coming. Are you excited? Today we're glad to meet Jessica and she's 18 years old. She's want to become a Christmas gift to surprise her boyfriend who's returning to his hometown. Let's help her. Oh dear, her part-time job destroys her feet. It looks terrible, but don't worry, it's my job. First, remove the dead skin. Then clean the vulnerable area. Make them clean before putting in some medicine cream. Are you ready to continue and move to the makeup part? Making her face clean is important to do before makeup. Of course, I can't leave the acne. Then handle the eyebrow and nose hair. Then clean her face and put on some clay mask. Watch me make her more beautiful. Foundation is needed and then contour and highlight. Some orange blush for today. Put on lenses to have glitter eyes. I focus on decorating her eyes to make her outstanding. She's gorgeous, isn't she? Decorate her lipstick to match the concept. I put on some snowflakes. It's cute. Make her hair match her cute makeup too. The yellow dress suits her, right? Don't forget to put on some accessories. Now take a picture. Smile. She's amazing. Hope you love the makeup look today. Thanks for watching. Bye.